Good evening, folks. We're back again at 9:16, battling for another one of Kenneth's Yoda figures. This one's number 22. Not quite sure what that means. We got 10 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner of this Yoda. Going to paste them in there. There they are, 1 through 10. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got an 8, which means we're good to go. Good luck, everybody. Josh takes round 1 and round 2. Jimmy round 3, Jason round 4, Josh again on top in round 5, Steve round 6, Jimmy again on top in round 7, which is our next to last round, which means our winner is Josh in at number 3. Congratulations, Josh. HQUWYO is our verification code. Josh in at number 3 is the champ of Yoda number 22, which means I am done at 9:17 p.m. There she is. Again, here's our official results and our winner, Josh, at number 3. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.